You're the sunshine in my heart. Listen, me know some days feel cloudy, some nights feel long, but one special love can bring back the light, and that light is you. Oh, yeah. Before you came into my life, me was searching through the night, looking for a brighter way, waiting for a better day. Then you came like morning sun and showed me love had just begun. With your smile and gentle heart, you gave my world a brand new start. Every moment close to you feels like skies are turning blue. Every word you softly say brings the sunshine to my day. Like a flower reaching high, growing underneath the sky, my heart finally found its way, because you brighten every day. Oh, Jah, me give thanks above for this beautiful love. Every sunrise, every light, you make my world feel so bright. You are the sunshine in my heart, the light that shines when days are dark, like the morning over the sea. You bring happiness to me. You are the sunshine in my heart, the sweetest blessing from the start. Every sunrise, every night, you fill my world with love and light. Oh, baby, you are my forever sunshine. Walking with you by the shore, me don't need anything more. Palm trees dancing in the breeze, love is flowing through the trees. When you hold me in your arms, I feel safe away from harm. Every smile and every touch shows me love can mean so much. I don't need diamonds or gold, your loving heart is what I hold. 'Cause the greatest gift I found is your love always around. Through the rain and through the storm, you keep my heart feeling warm. Like the ocean calm and wide, you are always by my side. Stay beside me, hold my hand. Together we will always stand. Through every season, through every tide, I want you always by my side. You are the sunshine in my heart, the light that shines when days are dark, like the morning over the sea. You bring happiness to me. You are the sunshine in my heart, the sweetest blessing from the start. Every sunrise, every night, you fill my world with love and light. Listen me now. Some people search their whole life through for a love that feels so true, but Jah bless me on the day when He sent you my way. Your laughter is my favorite song. In your arms is where I belong. Like a garden after rain, your love removes my pain. Every sunset tells our story, every moment shines with glory. No distance and no time could ever change this heart of mine, because wherever you may be, ocean waves, island skies, forever love in your eyes. Two hearts, one dream, flowing together like a stream. When the years have passed us by, I'll still look into your eyes, holding hands beneath the stars, knowing love has brought us far. Every morning I will pray, Jah keeps blessing us each day. Forever faithful, forever true, my heart will always shine because of you. You are the sunshine in my heart. You are the sunshine in my heart. The love that gave my life a start. Through the sunshine and the rain, I'll choose your love again and again. You are the sunshine in my heart, the brightest light I've known from the start. Through every season, every year, my heart will always keep you near. Forever, forever, you are my sunshine. You are my love, yeah. Some lights come and go, but true love keeps shining forever. And my heart will always shine because of you. Ooh. Listen and know, some flowers bloom for a season, but true love keeps growing forever. And inside our hearts, a beautiful love continues to grow. When you came into my life, you changed the darkness into light. Like a flower after rain, you helped my heart to bloom again. Every smile and every touch shows me love can mean so much. Every moment spent with you feels like a dream coming true. Like the roots beneath the ground, our love keeps growing all around. Strong and deep, forever true, my heart keeps growing because of you. Every sunrise, every day brings another reason to stay. With your hand holding mine, everything feels so divine. Oh, Jah, me give thanks above for this everlasting love. Every flower, every tree shows the love inside of me. Forever grows inside our love, a blessing sent from up above. Like a garden reaching the sky, our love will never fade or die. Forever grows inside our love, stronger than the stars above. Through every season, every year, I will always keep you near. Oh baby, our love keeps growing forever. Walking with you by the sea feels like we're meant to be. Palm trees dancing in the breeze, love is flowing through the trees. When you hold me close and near, all my worries disappear. Your gentle heart and loving way makes me grateful every day. I don't need diamonds or gold, your love is the treasure I hold. 'Cause the greatest thing I know is the love that we both show. Like a rose beneath the sun, our beautiful journey has begun. the heart that knew your love from the start. Like the ocean meets the shore, I keep loving you more and more. Every memory we create makes our love become so great. No distance and no time could ever change this heart of mine. 'Cause the love we have today will continue growing every way. Every laugh and every tear only brings our hearts more near. Every chapter that we write makes our future shining bright. Oh, feel the rhythm, feel the breeze. Love is blooming through the tree. Heart to heart, soul to soul. Your sweet love has made me whole. Like a flower, like a seed, our love grows with every need. When the years have passed us by, I'll still look into your eyes, holding hands beneath the stars, knowing love has brought us far. Every morning I will choose you. Every day my love stays true. Forever faithful, forever free. Our love will grow eternally. Forever grows inside our love, a feeling I will always trust. Through the sunshine and the rain, I'll choose you again and again. Forever grows inside our love, a gift I treasure from above. Through every season, every year, my heart will always keep you near. Forever, forever, our love will bloom for all time. Some flowers may fade, some moments may pass, but true love keeps growing forever inside our hearts. Listen me know, the ocean carries many secrets, but there is one thing it knows for sure: the depth of my love for you. Standing by the shoreline tonight, watching the moon shining bright, I feel your love inside my soul. Like the ocean deep and whole, every wave that reaches the sand feels like your love holding my hand. Every breeze that passes through brings back memories of me and you. The sea may rise, the tides may change, but my love will stay the same. Like the stars above the blue, my heart belongs only to you. Every sunrise, every day, your love guides me on my way. And the ocean whispers softly too, it knows how much I love you. Oh Jah, me give thanks above for this endless love. Everywhere, every time, keeps your love by my side. The ocean knows how much I love you, more than words could ever prove. Like the waves that touch the shore, I will love you more and more. The ocean knows how much I care. Your love is everywhere. Through the sunshine and the rain, I'll choose your heart again and again. Oh baby, the ocean knows my love for you. Walking barefoot by the sea, you are where I trees dancing in the breeze. Love is flowing through the trees. Your smile shines like morning light, making every moment right. Your gentle touch, your loving way brings happiness into my days. I don't need treasures from afar. You are my brightest shining star, the greatest gift I ever knew. Listening on, some people search across the world for a love more precious than gold. But Jah blessed me from the start when He connected our hearts. Every sunset paints your name, every wave repeats the same. A true love will always stay and never ever fade away. Like flowers growing near the sea, your love keeps blooming inside of me. Every moment that we share shows me how much you really care. Feel the rhythm, feel the breeze. Love is moving through the seas. Ocean blue, island sky, forever love. You and I, two hearts, one dream, flowing together like a stream. But one thing the ocean will always know, my heart belongs to you. Listening on. Every morning brings a new beginning. Every sunrise paints the sky, but the most beautiful light is the one that comes from your smile. When the morning touches the sea, your smile brings life back to me. Like golden rays across the shore, you make my heart love you more. Before you came into my life, we were searching through the night, looking for a brighter day, waiting for love to find its way. Then you came like island sun and showed me happiness had begun. With your laughter and your grace, you brought sunshine to my days. Like the waves beneath the sky, I see forever in your eyes. Every moment feels so right. You are my more give thanks above for this precious love. Every sunrise, every day, your smile guides my way. Your smile is my Caribbean sunrise, the brightest light I have ever known. Like the morning over the ocean, you make my heart feel at home. Your smile is my Caribbean sunrise, a blessing shining from above. Every day that I wake beside you, I feel the beauty of your love. Oh baby, keep smiling for me forever. Walking with you by the shore, they keep loving you more and more. Palm trees dancing in the breeze, love is flowing through the trees. Your smile can chase away the rain and bring sunshine through my pain. Every little thing you do makes my world feel fresh and new. I don't need diamonds or gold, your loving heart is what I hold. 'Cause the greatest treasure I see is the love you give to me. Like a flower under the sun, our beautiful journey has begun. Every sunrise tells the story of our love and all its glory. Stay beside me, hold my hand, together we will always stand. Through every season, through every tide, I want you always by my side. Your smile is my Caribbean sunrise, the brightest light I have ever known. Like the morning over the ocean, you make my heart feel at home. Your smile is my Caribbean sunrise, a blessing shining from above. Every day that I wake beside you, I feel the beauty of your love. Listen me now, some people chase the morning sky, searching for a paradise, but Jah bless me with the view when He gave my heart to you. Your laughter is my sweetest song, with your love I belong. Every sunset, every sea brings your beauty back to me. No storm can take away the glow of the love that we both know. Like the sun that always rises, our love brings new surprises. Every chapter, every page, our love grows stronger with age. And no matter where we go, my heart will always know. Feel the rhythm, feel the breeze, sunlight dancing through the trees, ocean waves, golden skies, forever love in your eyes. One heart, one dream, one love flowing like a stream. When the years have passed us by, I'll still look into your eyes, holding hands beneath the stars, knowing love has brought us far. Every morning I will pray, Jah keeps blessing us each day. Forever faithful, forever true, my Caribbean sunrise. Will always be you. Oh, your smile is my Caribbean sunrise, the love that makes my spirit shine. Through every season, every year, I'll always want you near. Oh, your smile is my Caribbean sunrise, the sweetest blessing in my life. Like the ocean needs the shore, I love you forevermore. Forever, forever, you are my sunrise, you are my love, yeah. Some mornings bring light, some moments moments bring joy, but the greatest sunrise is the smile of the one you love. Listen to know a lifetime is made of moments. Some are small, some are unforgettable. But the most beautiful moments are the ones we share together. I remember the day you came my way, like sunshine after the rain. A simple smile, a gentle touch, a moment that meant so much. Every laugh and every tear, every memory we hold dear. Like the waves upon the shore, our love keeps growing more and more. From the first time I saw your eyes, I knew something special was inside. A feeling I could never hide, a love that would stay by my side. Every chapter that we write, every dream beneath the light, shows my heart the truth I knew. My forever is with you. Oh, Jah, we give thanks above for this amazing love. Every moment, every day, your love guides my way. A million moments, one true love, a blessing sent from up above. Every memory, every smile, makes my heart stay yours forever. A million moments, one true love, a feeling nothing can undo. Through every season, every year, I will always keep you near. Oh baby, our story will live forever. Walking with you by the sea feels like where I'm meant to be. Palm trees moving in the breeze, love is dancing through the trees. Every sunrise that we see brings another memory. Every sunset paints the sky with the love between you and I. I don't need a perfect life, I don't need a world without strife. 'Cause when I have your hand in mine, everything feels so divine. Like a flower that keeps growing, like a river always flowing. Our love will find a way to become stronger every day. Stay beside me, hold my hand. Together we will always stand. Through every storm, through every tide, forever with you by my side. A million moments, one true love, a blessing sent from up above. Every memory, every smile, makes my heart stay yours forever. A million moments, one true love, a feeling nothing can undo. Through every season, every year, I will always keep you near. Listen me now. Some people search the whole world wide, looking for a love to guide their life. But Jah blessed me from the start when He connected our hearts. Every picture, every place, every moment, every embrace tells a story we have made. A beautiful love that will never fade. Years may pass and time may fly, but I will always see you rise. The same love of my story. A million moments, one true love, the greatest gift from up above. Through the sunshine and the rain, I choose you again and again. A million moments, one true love, a love that time cannot bring you. Through every season, every year, my heart will always keep you near. Forever, forever, a million moments, one true love. Yeah. Life is made of moments, but true love turns those moments into forever. And my forever is you. Listen to know when the island breeze begins to blow, and the rhythm of the ocean starts to play. Two hearts can find a melody, a love that moves forever. Underneath the island sun, our beautiful love has begun. With your hand holding mine, everything feels so divine. Palm trees moving side to side, with your love right by my side. Every moment feels so new, like paradise with you. The ocean waves are singing too, a sweet love song for me and you. Every heartbeat, every smile makes this journey worthwhile. Like flowers dancing in the breeze, love is growing through the trees. Every day I feel it true, my heart keeps dancing with you. Oh Jah, we give thanks above for this island kind of love. Every rhythm, every sound shows the love that we have found. Our hearts dance with the island breeze, like a love song beneath the trees. With the ocean and the sky above, we are moving in the rhythm of love. Our hearts dance with the island breeze, a feeling that brings us peace. Every sunrise, every night, you make my whole world feel so right. Oh baby, keep dancing with me forever. Walking barefoot by the shore, I keep loving you more and more. Golden sunsets paint the sky, while I see the love inside your eyes. Your laughter is my sweetest tune, like a melody beneath the moon. Every whisper, every kiss feels like a moment full of bliss. I'd only treasures from afar. You are my brightest shining star. The greatest gift I ever knew is this beautiful life with you. Like the tide that meets the sand, I found forever in your hand. No matter where this journey goes, my heart will always choose you. Stay beside me, hold me near. I want your love year after year. Through every season, through every tide, forever with you by my side. Our hearts dance with the island breeze, like a love song beneath the trees. With the ocean and the sky above, we are moving in the rhythm of love. Our hearts dance with the island breeze, a feeling that brings us peace. understand. But God blessed me from the start when He connected our hearts like the moon that lights the sea. Your love brings the best in me. Every dream and every prayer feels complete because you're there. When the stars begin to shine, I know your heart belongs with mine. Through the laughter and the tears, I love you through the years. No storm can stop this melody. No wave can take you away from me. 'Cause our love will always stay, growing stronger every day. Oh, feel the rhythm, feel the breeze. Love is moving through the trees. Two hearts beating, one sweet sound. Forever love is what we found. Island skies, ocean blue. My heart keeps dancing with you. When the years have passed us by, I'll still look into your eyes, holding hands beneath the stars, knowing love has brought us far. Every morning I will choose you. Every day my love stays true. Forever faithful, forever free. Our island rhythm will always be. Our hearts dance with the island breeze. A love that brings my soul peace. Through the sunshine and the rain, I'll choose your love again and again. Our hearts dance the island breeze. A love that grows like flowers and trees. Through every season, every year, my heart will always keep you near. Forever, forever, our hearts will dance to our island love. Yeah. Some rhythms fade away, but true love keeps moving forever. And our hearts will always dance with the island breeze. Listen to know when the night becomes quiet and the stars begin to shine. The moon carries a message from my heart straight to you. Underneath the moonlit sky, I see your love shining bright, like the ocean reflecting light. You make everything feel right. Every night when I look above, I feel the power of our love. The gentle breeze across the sea brings your memories back to me, like the waves that touch the shore. I keep loving you more and more. Every star that shines so true reminds me of my love for you. Distance may keep us apart, but you're always inside my heart. No matter where you are tonight, my love will find you in the light. Oh, Jah, we give thanks above for this everlasting love. Every moon, every star carries my love from afar. The moonlight carries my love to you, a feeling forever strong and true, like the ocean meets the sky. what you mean to me. Oh baby, can you feel my love tonight? Walking slowly by the shore, thinking of you more and more. Palm trees dancing in the breeze, love is flowing through the trees. Every whisper from the night feels like your arms holding me tight. Every wave that reaches land feels like you are holding my hand. I don't need 1,000 stars or wishes from the moon afar, 'cause the greatest light I know is the love you always show. Like a flower beneath the moon, our love will keep on growing soon. Every moment, every day, my heart will never drift away. Stay beside me, close your eyes, feel the love across the skies. Through every season, through every tide, my heart is always by your side. The moonlight carries my love to you, a feeling forever strong and true. Like the ocean meets the sky, my love will never say goodbye. The moonlight carries my love to you, through every night and morning blue. Every heartbeat, every dream shows you what you mean to me. Listen up. Some people look for love in places, searching through a million faces. But Jah blessed me from the start when He placed you in my heart. Every sunset, every moon, every night and every afternoon tells a story we both know. A love that continues to grow, like the stars that never fade. Our love is a promise made. No distance and no time could ever change this heart of mine. Because wherever you may be, your love stays close to me. And every moon that lights the night sends my love into your side. Oh, feel the rhythm, feel the breeze, love is shining through the trees. Moonlight dancing, ocean wide, forever love by my side. Two hearts, one dream, flowing together like a stream. When the years have passed us by, I'll still look into your eyes, holding hands beneath the stars, knowing love has brought us far. Every morning I will pray, Jah keeps blessing us each day. Forever faithful, forever true. The moonlight will always carry my love to you. The moonlight carries my love to you, a love that time cannot undo. Through every season, every year, my heart will always keep you near. The moonlight carries my love to you, a promise forever shining through like the stars above the sea. You are always part of me. Forever, forever, my love will travel straight to you. Yeah. The ocean may be wide, the night may be long, but true love always finds a way. And tonight the moonlight carries my love to you. Yeah. Listen and know, every hour has a melody, every soul has a song, but mine only started singing when I found your love. Before you came into my life, me was searching through the night, looking for a love so true, never knowing I'd find you. Then you came like morning light, making everything feel right. With your smile and gentle way, you brought music to my days. Every heartbeat has a sound, every blessing comes around, and the sweetest song I know is the love that you always show. Like the ocean meets the shore, me keep loving you more and more. Every moment, every part, you bring rhythm to my heart. Oh Jah, we give thanks above for this beautiful love. Every beat, every line, your heart's melody matches mine. Your love is the song my heart sings, the sweetest melody life brings. Like a beautiful island tune, shining underneath the moon. Oh, your love is the song my heart sings, a feeling that makes my spirit fly. Every sunrise, every night, you are my love, my guiding light. Oh baby, keep singing with my heart forever. Walking with you by the sea feels like where I'm meant to be. Palm trees dancing in the breeze, love is flowing through the trees. Every whisper, every smile makes my journey worthwhile. Every touch and every kiss shows me what true loving is. I don't need diamonds or gold, your loving art is what I hold. 'Cause the greatest treasure found is your love always around. Like a flower reaching high, growing underneath the sky. Our love keeps becoming new with every day I spend with you. Stay beside me, hold my hand. Together we will always stand through every season.